Yeah, you can be good, Pippin? All right, your production value is what you are. Hey guys, we're Mike and Summer Yarborough with Rustic and Main, and we know this Easter probably looks a little different for a lot of us, and we wanted to just come to you with a little bit of an Easter thought or maybe Easter ideas or something like that. This is totally informal. Here we are at our humble abode with our dogs.
Yep.
And if we get through this whole thing without our dogs chasing something, we'll be doing all right. So, what was your Easter like growing up?
We always got together with my grandparents, my cousins, and we had a big dinner and ate too much food. And then we would go find those really nasty tasting, artificially colored and flavored marshmallow eggs. Like, that's what my grandparents would put
I remember
out.
those things.
Yeah.
They had peanut versions of those too, which are disgusting, right?
Yeah, all of it was very disgusting. But it was cool because you got to go find them, and then, so Easter egg hunt was cool.
So I remember mine was on my dad's side of the family. It was hang out with my cousins as well. I think that's actually my only Easter memories. And we would dye the eggs and stuff like that. And I remember going out in my grandparents' backyard before the Easter egg hunt and just kind of scoping out, like, if I were going to hide these things, where would they go?
You're a cheater.
I was a cheater. No, I was thinking I was planning ahead. This is birthing of an entrepreneur right there. And we had the plastic eggs, so we didn't have anything disgusting. We had the plastic eggs, and sometimes they were filled with candy, and sometimes they were filled with money.
Yeah.
And sometimes they were filled with like $10 or $20, and not because we were rich or anything like that, just because it made it more fun and aggressive. And then, of course, they did the big Easter meal, and the whole family was there, and all that kind of stuff as well. But probably not going to be that way this year.
No. I know a lot of people's hearts are heavy right now. A lot of the things that we traditionally think about as being part of Easter, the candy, the baskets, the pretty dresses, going to church, Easter egg hunts, well, they're not happening this year. The good news is that that's not really what Easter is all about.
Right on.
It's just part of it. It's part of the fun of it. But the part that is the most important part is not able to be taken away from us. It's not able to be taken away by disease. It's not being able to be taken away by death. It's not able to be taken away by separation.
Or the government.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's the resurrection of Jesus Christ. And that's what we're really celebrating here on Easter. And if we think about it, it's really his death, burial, and resurrection. And at some part of that, his life as well, because that's a big part of it, right? He did what he said he was going to do. And that's what we're going to be focused on this Easter for us. And we're still going to have some friends over at a distance, and we're still going to play some
under the amount of 10 and under
the amount of 10, and we're going to play some distance games, and we're going to have some food and that kind of stuff. But we're really going to be excited about Jesus. That's what we're going to be doing this Easter. So don't know about you guys, but hopefully that's your plan as well. And we just thought we'd share some thoughts with you. You got anything else?
No.
Pippin, you did so good. You're a good girl.
I know. Pippin's a good girl. Mary's a bad
like
girl.
An internet star now.
I know. Mary, the bad girl, somewhere in the yard probably pooping.
All right, guys. Happy Easter to you.
Bye.